In the last 3 months, I went from 15,000 followers to 24,000 followers and generated millions of views, and I did not write a single script myself. Everything was AI generated, but here's the catch. I wasn't using ChatGPT, I wasn't using Claude because I was using something most people don't even know exists yet. Look, I used to use Poppy AI and yeah, it worked, but it was expensive as fuck, so I found something really better which is 5 times cheaper. The tool right here, BlortAI, does everything Poppy does but better. And in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you my exact 3-step process on how to train it on your voice, how to find viral content to reverse engineer, and the magic sauce that generates full scripts in under 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use Blort to write scripts that sound exactly like you without spending hours staring at a blank Google Doc. Now, before we dive in, let me show you why is this different from using ChatGPT or Claude. Most people are out here trying prompts in ChatGPT, generating generic ass scripts that don't sound like them, don't perform well, and honestly, it's just a wastage of time. So here's what ChatGPT can't do. Break down a video frame by frame, show you the exact visual that was on the screen when the hook hit, scrape entire YouTube or Instagram accounts in seconds, analyze the top 10 performing videos and extract patterns, build mind maps of your content strategy, but Blort does all of it. And I'm not talking about summaries, I'm talking about frame by frame analysis, every 3 seconds, visual hook, spoken hook, pacing, structure, literally everything. I use this tool for my own content and for my agency clients at Social Brew Toronto. And the video you're watching right now, yeah, this script was also written using Blort. So if you're a coach, consultant, business owner, or a content creator who's tired of spending hours writing scripts, or worse, paying someone who doesn't get your voice, this is for you. Alright, so let's get into it. I'm going to walk you through the exact same process I use to write scripts for my videos that get hundreds of thousands of views, and I'm going to do it step by step so you can follow along and do this yourself. So first step is training the AI to sound exactly like you. And here's the thing, most people skip this step because they just start trying prompts and wonder why the output sounds generic as fuck. That's because the AI doesn't know who you are yet. So we are going to fix that right now. First, you're going to create a new board. Just click new board and name it whatever you want. I'll call this one YouTube scripts. Now here's what you need to do. Go to your YouTube channel or Instagram or TikTok or wherever you create content and grab your top 3 to 5 performing videos. I'm going to use my Instagram videos here. This one that got 400,000 views, this one got 300, and this one got 250,000 views. All you have to do is copy the link, then come back to Blort and just paste it in. Now do that for the rest of your top videos, and here is where it gets interesting. You're going to group all of these together. Just select them all, press G, and now they're in one group. Let's rename this as Ritik's content so I know what it is. Now Blort has analyzed all these videos. It knows how I talk, my tone of voice, my catchphrases, and even my fucking jokes. Here's the best part most people don't even know about. Blort doesn't just look at the captions or the transcript. It breaks down the video frame by frame. Every 3 seconds it takes a snapshot so it knows what visual was on screen when I said the hook, what text overlay I used, what was the pacing that looked like, what kept people watching. This is something that ChatGPT and Claude literally cannot do. They cannot see the video and they can only read the text, but Blort sees everything. Alright, so that's step 1. The AI knows how you talk. Let's move to the step 2. But before that, if you want to try Blort yourself, check out the link in the description, and I'm also working on getting a discount code for you guys, so keep an eye out for that. Alright, so step 2 is finding viral content. Now this is where most people fuck up because they think viral content means going to Mr. Beast's channel and copying his videos. No, that's not what we are doing. Here's what you're actually looking for. Videos with 100 to 500,000 views, not 10 million plus views, but these videos come from channels with under 100,000 subscribers. Videos uploaded in the last 6 months, videos with strong emotional hooks. Why? Because these videos are proof of concept. They've worked, they got views, but they're not from massive channels and millions of subscribers, which means you can replicate them and something amazing happen in these videos. So let's say I want to write a video about how to grow on Instagram. I'm going to search for that and look at this. This video got 300,000 views. The channel only has 50,000 subscribers, and that's perfect. Copy the link, go back to Blort and paste it in. Now here's where Blort is insane. Instead of just giving you a summary like ChatGPT, Blort scrapes this entire video frame by frame again. So now you know exactly why this video worked, not a guess, not a summary, the actual structure of why it worked. And here's another feature most people don't even know about. You can tell Blort to scrape an entire YouTube or Instagram account and ask it to analyze their top 10 performing videos. And in seconds, Blort will pull their top 10 videos, hook patterns, common structures, what makes their content work. And this is exactly how you can reverse engineer success, not by guessing but analyzing the data that is already working. So now you have your own content, so Blort knows your voice, and viral content, so Blort knows what works. Now we are ready for step 3, which is the magic sauce. And this is where all of it comes together. You're going to open the AI chat chat, and here's the prompt I use. Based on my content and the viral video I uploaded, write me a YouTube script about topic, use my tone of voice, use the structure from the viral video, but make it original and add a fresh twist. So for example, let's say I want to write a video about how to grow Instagram in 2025. So I'll just insert that topic in the prompt that I just told you guys, and I'll hit enter and watch what happens. Look at this. It's writing the entire script, hook, intro, body, CTA, everything. And here's the best part. It even sounds like me. Look, yo, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grow on Instagram in 2025 without spending hours creating content or paying for ads. Look, I see all these Instagram gurus telling you to post 5 times a day, and that's me. That's exactly how I talk. I didn't write that. Blort did. Now here's the thing. You're probably not going to use the script word for word, and that's fine. You're going to edit it. You're going to add your own examples, maybe change a few lines, make it sound more like you. But here's what you just saved. 3 to 4 hours of starting at a blank Google Doc. Instead of starting from zero, you start with a full script that already has your voice, a proven structure, a strong hook, and clear value. But if you want, you can even ask Blort to give you title options. Give me 5 title options for this video, boom, and you get 5 titles all designed to maximize curiosity and click. And all you have to do is just pick the one that you like or combine elements from multiple titles and use it for your YouTube video. Now, if you want to master my entire AI content system, not just Blort, I have a community called Content Circle. Here I teach how you can 100x your content output using AI clones and attract qualified leads on autopilot. And you also get weekly implementation calls, proven templates, and direct support from me. So check it out, link is in the description, and I'll see you inside. Alright, so we just covered the basics, but Blort can do way more than just write YouTube scripts. I use it to write Instagram captions, VSLs, which are video sales letters, email sequences, course content, and client deliverables. Like this VSL right here for Content Circle, I used Blort to write a full 10-minute VSL. I plugged in my offer, my target audience's pain points, and Blort wrote the whole thing. And here's another use case. Let's say you're launching a course or a program, you need to write all the module scripts, right? You can upload your course outline into Blort, tell it write a 15-minute script for module 1, and boom, you'll get a full script in your voice with examples, with transitions and everything. You will save at least 20 plus hours of script writing if you just use this tool right. And if you're running an agency like I am, you can use Blort to create content for your clients as well. I have separate boards for each client where I upload their brand voice, their past content, their messaging, and then I can generate scripts for them in minutes. And this is exactly how my team at Social Brew Toronto produces content for 10 plus active clients without hiring 15 script writers. Alright, so that's the full process. Let me recap real quick for you. Step 1 was to train Blort on your voice and upload your top videos. Step 2 is to find viral content to reverse engineer, and the last step was to use the magic sauce prompt to generate full scripts. And that's it. That's exactly how I went from 15 to 24,000 followers in 3 months, and that's exactly how I have generated millions of views. And that is exactly how I also run a content agency without spending 40 hours a week writing scripts. Now, if you want to try Blort yourself, link is in the description, and I'm also working on a discount code, so check back for that. But if you're a coach, consultant, or a business owner who doesn't want to figure all of this out yourself, and if you just want someone to handle it for you, we do that at Social Brew Toronto. We will come up with the ideas, we will write your scripts, we will create your videos, post it for you, and all you have to do is just give us approvals. We use your AI avatar so you don't even have to record. We have generated millions of views and thousands for our clients, and we can do it for you as well. So book a free discovery call, link is in the description, and if you have any questions from this video, drop a comment and I'll make sure to answer every single one of them. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.